ladies. The first round in favor of Visaseo Meta from Chichama village.
This will be the final match of the first round. This is the 20th match. Till the 20th match, except the 19th match, all other matches have produced results. With the 19th match, both the wrestlers getting disqualified. I beg your pardon, the 18th match.
The second ball, the decision given by the referee. The second ball in favor of Rengan Brazilian. Both the wrestlers have won a ball each, and now they will fight for the deciding ball.
Hey! Look up, yourself!
One minute back.
The vehicle bearing the registration number 01CA5736 Alto, and the vehicle bearing the registration number 07CA512E. The first one is 5736 Alto, and the second one is 512E Maruti Swift. The driver or the owner, you are requested to repark your car after the first round.
Thirty seconds. 20 seconds.
Go, laga, laga! Yourself! Oui!
10 seconds.
Go! Laga!
All will be disqualified since the third ball didn't produce result. That means with two matches not producing result, 18 wrestlers are going to make it to the second round.